Looking for your next Caribbean getaway? Let me tell you about the Meliá Caribe Beach Resort in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. And trust me, this place has quite a lot to offer. This five-star all-inclusive resort sits right on the famous Bavaro Beach, and after digging deep into guest reviews, official information, and real experiences, I've got the complete picture of what you can expect from your stay here. The accommodation options at Meliá Caribe Beach Resort are designed to cater to different types of travelers, though some might feel more dated than others. The superior room garden view offers about 377 square feet of space with either one king bed or two doubles, making it perfect for couples or small families. These rooms come equipped with air conditioning, flat-screen TV, minibar, safe, and a balcony or terrace overlooking the tropical gardens. The rooms feature bright Caribbean colors and modern furnishings, though some guests have noted that certain areas could use a refresh. For those wanting ocean views, the superior room Ocean View provides the same layout and amenities but with stunning sea vistas from your balcony. The price difference is noticeable, ranging from $180 to $300 per night compared to the Garden View rooms. The Junior Suite stepped things up significantly with 484 square feet of space, including a separate sitting area, enhanced minibar, bathrobes, slippers, and a larger balcony. These rooms work particularly well for families or couples who want extra space to spread out. The crown jewel accommodation is the Family Suite, offering 646 square feet with two bedrooms, a living area, kitchenette, and multiple bathrooms. These suites can accommodate up to 5 guests and provide the privacy and space that larger families need during their vacation. When it comes to dining, this resort takes the all-inclusive concept seriously, with multiple restaurants and bars scattered throughout the property. La Hacienda brings authentic Mexican flavors to your plate with specialties like tacos, fajitas, and enchiladas, paired perfectly with their signature margaritas. The restaurant features rustic decor with vibrant colors and operates for dinner only from 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m., accommodating up to 120 guests. Reservations are recommended, especially during Mexican-themed nights with live music. Il Circo offers a completely different experience with Italian cuisine featuring homemade pasta, risotto, fresh seafood, and wood-fired pizzas. The elegant Italian decor creates a cozy atmosphere perfect for romantic dinners, and they occasionally host wine-tasting evenings that guests rave about. The main buffet restaurant serves as the heart of the dining experience, offering international cuisine with live cooking stations throughout the day. Breakfast runs from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., lunch from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m., and dinner from 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. The bright, spacious dining room can accommodate over 300 guests, and the variety ensures everyone finds something they enjoy. The pool bar and swim-up bar keep the tropical drinks flowing from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., serving everything from classic cocktails to light snacks while you soak up the Caribbean sun. The pool and beach facilities are where this resort really shines, offering 3 large outdoor pools that cater to different preferences and age groups. The main pool spans approximately 1,200 square meters with depths ranging from half a meter to 1.8 meters, perfect for both swimmers and those who prefer to wade. The adults-only pool provides a quieter atmosphere for couples and solo travelers seeking relaxation, while the family pool includes a children's splash area that keeps the little ones entertained for hours. All pools operate from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, with towel service and food and beverage service available poolside. The swim-up bar becomes a popular gathering spot throughout the day, and the shaded areas provide relief from the intense Caribbean sun. The beach access is arguably the resort's biggest selling point, featuring approximately 1 kilometer of white sandy beach with calm turquoise waters. Beach loungers, umbrellas, and towel service are complimentary, and the beach bar ensures you never have to venture far for refreshments. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, snorkeling, paddleboarding, and windsurfing, though some activities may incur additional charges. The beach's calm waters make it ideal for families with children, while the stunning sunrises provide Instagram-worthy moments for early risers. Activities at the resort cater to various interests and energy levels, ensuring every guest finds something appealing during their stay. The fitness center operates from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. and features modern cardio machines including treadmills and ellipticals, free weights, and resistance machines. Group fitness classes include yoga, Pilates, and aqua aerobics, with schedules varying throughout the week. Personal training sessions are available upon request for those wanting more focused attention. The evening entertainment program runs nightly and includes live music, themed parties, dance shows, and karaoke nights. Local bands perform regularly, showcasing Dominican culture and music, while DJ nights keep the energy high for those wanting to dance under the stars. The resort's location provides easy access to various excursions and day trips, from dolphin encounters to ecological park visits. Cultural shows highlighting Dominican traditions occur regularly, giving guests insight into local customs and history. The entertainment team works hard to keep guests engaged, though some visitors have noted that the volume can be quite high during peak evening hours. The spa and wellness facilities offer a peaceful retreat from the resort's more energetic activities, featuring a range of treatments designed to rejuvenate both body and mind. The spa operates from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and offers massages, facials, body wraps, hydrotherapy, and reflexology treatments. Their signature Caribbean-inspired massage uses local oils and has become particularly popular among guests seeking an authentic experience. The volcanic stone therapy provides deep relaxation and is often recommended for those dealing with muscle tension from travel or activities. Additional facilities include a sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounge where guests can unwind before or after treatments. The treatment rooms are modern and well-appointed, creating a serene atmosphere that helps guests disconnect from daily stresses. Booking treatments in advance is highly recommended, especially during peak season, as appointments fill up quickly. The spa staff receives consistent praise for their professionalism and skill, with many guests noting significant improvements in their stress levels and overall well-being after treatments. Families with children will find plenty to keep their young ones entertained throughout their stay at this family-friendly resort. The Kids Club operates daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and offers supervised activities including arts and crafts, games, and educational programs about local wildlife and culture. The trained staff ensures children are safe while having fun, giving parents some much-needed relaxation time. The club's activities are age-appropriate and designed to encourage creativity and social interaction among young guests. The children's splash area at the family pool becomes a hub of activity, with shallow water perfect for toddlers and young children. Playground equipment scattered throughout the resort provides additional entertainment options for kids of various ages. Family suites and connecting rooms make it easy for larger families to stay together while maintaining some privacy. The resort's safe environment allows older children some independence while parents can relax knowing their kids are in a secure setting. Evening entertainment often includes family-friendly shows and activities that appeal to both children and adults, creating opportunities for families to bond over shared experiences. The resort's location in Bavaro puts guests within easy reach of numerous attractions and activities that showcase the best of the Dominican Republic. Bavaro Adventure Park, located just 5 kilometers away, offers ziplining, horseback riding, and cultural experiences that provide insight into local life. The hotel can arrange transportation, or guests can take a quick taxi ride to reach this popular destination. Dolphin Explorer, 7 kilometers from the resort, provides unforgettable marine mammal encounters that appeal to visitors of all ages. The hotel's tour desk can arrange visits and often secures group discounts for guests. Meliá Park, 10 kilometers away, combines wildlife encounters with cultural shows, making it an excellent day trip option for families. Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park, 15 kilometers from the resort, offers nature walks through tropical forests and swimming in natural freshwater lagoons. These ecological experiences provide a stark contrast to beach activities and appeal to environmentally conscious travelers. Punta Cana International Airport sits just 20 kilometers away, making transfers convenient with approximately 25 minutes of travel time. The resort can arrange airport transfers, and numerous taxi and shuttle services operate regularly between the airport and hotel. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.